I'm Walker Reynolds, Chairman and CEO at 4.0 Solutions and Intellic Integration. We help manufacturers remain competitive by collecting data, comparing it to the past, predicting the future by finding patterns in that data they can't see with the naked eye. As a lifter, I lift with my two sons. I wanted to approach weightlifting the same way I approach everything else. So we built a vision system that could monitor the bench press, the deadlift, and the squat while I'm taking what it is that we've done in manufacturing with machine learning, and I parlayed that into creating a technology that's going to work for weightlifters. We built a little box about yay big that looks at the athlete while they're moving. It draws all the ergonomic lines. It automatically picks up how much weight is on the bar, and it compares your movement while you're moving in real time to all of history. And we're predicting whether you're going to succeed, and then we are predicting whether or not you're going to get hurt. The reason we're at the Shaw Classic is to help transform athletes. But what we want to do is start by collecting data off the best athletes in the world.